As content creators, you know how important goal setting can be to your success. Setting clear targets keeps you motivated, focused, and on track to achieve your ambitions in content creation. And in today's video, we're going to look at one of the newest features inside Minvo, goal setting. So let's dive in. So once you're logged into Minvo, you'll notice things look a little bit differently than maybe the last time that you've signed on. We still have all of our content in the main section of the screen here, but then on the left side, this is where things start to get a little different. Starting in the bottom corner, this is where you can connect all of your social channels to Minvo. And this is great if you want to do things like scheduling your content directly from Minvo to those social platforms. And I actually have other videos on this specific topic, so if you're interested, be sure to check the links down in the description of this video. But if we come up just a little bit, you'll notice this section here that says July 24, view all stats. It's got two boxes, one that says posts and one that says views. This is where you have the ability to actually set goals for your content, and it's extremely easy to do. Now, I've already set goals for this specific set of channels. So I'm actually going to come up into the corner. I'm going to click a new brand. And I'm just going to click on the Next Gen Podcaster brand. So now you can see I don't have any goals set for this specific brand, which is also kind of a cool feature to note. So all of the goals that you set are brand and workspace specific. So if you're managing multiple channels, or maybe you have multiple clients that you manage their content for them, you can keep all of those goals separate and specific to that channel. Now, to set the goals for this Next Gen Podcaster channel, we just have to come over here and click the little right icon, and we choose how many posts we want per month. Now we can click one of these buttons. We can say once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week. Maybe let's just say 3 times a week. So it drops 12 in there. And then views per month. How many views do we want to get? We can manually type in, let's say we want to get 7,500 views per month. And then we click off the screen and boom, here we go. You have your posts. We want to get 12 of those per month. And our views we want to hit at 7.5 thousand per month. Now the important thing to note with this is that Minvo is only going to track content that is scheduled and published through Minvo. So you want to make sure that you have your social media accounts connected here and that you're actually scheduling that content through Minvo. If you simply download the video when it's done and then go publish it manually to that platform, there's really no way for Minvo to actually track the views of that content or that it even got published in the first place. So if you do want to take advantage of the goal setting features in Minvo, just make sure that you're scheduling or at least pushing a draft of the content to the social media platform that you want to schedule to. And it's that easy. Are you going to start taking advantage of Minvo's new goal setting feature? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this one, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.